So this is a little different video today. I'm actually going to walk you through my essentially dream garage. Full disclosure, it's actually my mom's house, but she will not be using the garage. So I'll be doing most of my projects over here. It's pretty cool. It's bigger than, I have a 4-car garage, and this one definitely dwarfs it, but we're gonna walk through real quick and I'll kind of show you what it's all about. First things first, let's open it up. Actually, I think we'll start on this side. So the entire bottom garage measures about 2,400 square feet. It's a nice little area here just for whatever. It's about 45 feet long. 10-foot tall studs. The next section, this is pretty sweet. This came with the house. One of the selling points, at least for me, has a 12,000-pound tuxedo 2-post lift. Plenty of height too for really working on whatever. So really cool setup. Still have to get power. I need to get another plug installed. I run a big extension cord here to plug it in. Lift's in great shape. It is very heavy duty as well. More than I'll ever need for my cars and trucks. So get this angle here. It's kind of cool, you know, this whole neighborhood, people build a lot of dual garages. The previous owner built on this third garage to the left and also connected them all together, which not many people do because it's a pretty significant cost to do so. But I think I got to move most, if not all, of my bikes over here. Probably put them on this back wall here. Plenty of space. There's some trickle charges on there and be good to go. This is just going to be storage, random storage over here. See, all garage door opener, so I don't have to worry about that. Right here, got a little storage cubby kind of going on. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. There we go. And on this side, there's another little cubby, or closet, I guess I should say. Where's that light switch at for this thing? Let's see. I think this should be it right here. There we go. Nice little area for random stuff. Built-in shelves already. Nice and tall. This is just another normal, it's about a 20 by 40 garage. But one of the coolest setups here, which I can't wait for in the summertime, is they have a air-conditioned section right in here. Has a 3-ton unit. So I just turned it on 5 minutes ago and it is already super cool in here. So there's a pretty good amount of space, plenty of space to do little projects in here without sweating my ass off. So also a little more storage underneath here under the stairs. And also it's kind of cool. It's got a bathroom. Come in handy for dominating. But yeah, this is a pretty awesome little area here. I'm really looking forward to working on stuff in here. So these doors both open all the way, so there's going to be plenty of access to get bikes in and out, no problem. So, and actually, it also has a 2-story garage with about 850 or 900 square foot of storage up here. Although I don't really see this getting used too much. My house, we finished this out as extra living space, but nice little area here. It's about 60 foot long. So plenty of area here for random storage needs. So comes with some pipe also, I see. Head back down. So yeah, just want to do a quick little tour, something I think is really awesome. It's going to be really fun to do projects in here in the future. I mean, you really can't beat the shop setup. I always wanted a big shop, and lucky enough, kind of all worked out. Apparently, there's an attic up here. I didn't even know. So yeah, anyways, that's it. Kind of short video, but thought it'd be kind of cool to show off this setup. It's kind of rare to have a neighborhood that has a setup like this. So yeah, anyways, thanks. Figured real quick, do a little night video. Lights are nice and bright. The only thing is, 2 of these lights are out. I looked everywhere for another switch, can't find them, but I might just need to replace those. No big deal. But even then, it's nice and bright in here. So no problem having light for any kind of nighttime work at all. So I may add 1 or 2 more LEDs in here. It really doesn't need it, but maybe another one towards the very back of the wall. We'll see. And this side portion has plenty of light. It's got 4 big LEDs. No issues there. So this side's at least good. But yeah, that's it looks like all lit up at night. So plenty of light to work on things. So all right, that's all we got.